Welcome to mustoinves in Cambodia, and you can see right now I'm in Kirum National Park, 700 meters above sea level. Yes, it's 3 hours from Phnom Penh City and 2.5 hours from Sihanoukville. So it's halfway in the mountains, cool weather. You can see behind me the Kirum Pine Resort, one of the best resorts that you can find here. You can get a tent, you can get a luxury tent, and also you can get a cottage or even a small bungalow with luxury facilities and even a swimming pool. So yes, so let's talk about taxes in Cambodia, because 2025 is here. And what about the taxes that you need to know if you want to start a company in Cambodia or do business in Cambodia? But before we start, don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to mustoinves in Cambodia, hit the notification button, check out www.mustoinvestincambodia.com if you like to contact me personally. Also on Facebook meta page, Instagram page, and www.mustocamborentals.com if you need any rental property here in Cambodia. Let's get started. So yes, talk about taxes. So the good thing about Cambodia is that no matter who you are, you're a human. As long as you're legal in Cambodia, you come with a business visa, yes, you can register your own company. So this is the basic requirement. Come with a business visa, and once you have a business visa, yes, you can open your own company. Cambodians and foreigners have absolutely the same rule. So yes, foreigners can be 100% owners of a company, and they pay the same taxes as Khmer people. The thing is, in Cambodia, if you have a visa that is at least 6 months and you stay in Cambodia for at least 180 days or 6 months, you will be considered a resident. And yes, of course, if you want a residency letter, which we also help to get, you have to rent an accommodation, or you have to be the owner of a condo or whatever that is available here in Cambodia. But in terms of taxes, there is a 10% VAT tax that you have to pay. Let's say you open a restaurant and you do the restaurant or hotel business, there is a 10% tax. And also in terms of other taxes, we have the withholding tax, which is of 15%. And at the end of the year, there is a 20% capital gains tax that you have to pay. But if you don't want the dividend, then it's just a 1% tax every single month. So we are talking about potentially 12 to 20% tax that you need to pay at the end of the year. And yes, the withholding tax is of 15%. Let's say you want to open a company as a consultant, you can open an LLC as a sole proprietorship, which will be around $1,000, or you can open a medium enterprise, which has a monthly revenue of at least $5,000 and more. So in terms of opening a medium enterprise, it costs less than $2,000, and of course we have a large corporation, which will be more than that. But yes, in Cambodia, you can do business legally, just pay taxes. You have to do the filing of taxes every single month before the 25th of every month. It's wise if you have an accountant, and it's wise if you actually control everything as it is, because yes, there are apps, and also there is the taxation office, which is in all of Cambodia's cities, which is a good thing. And also, if you open a company, you must have an office. So you have to either rent an office, then you pay a 10% tax on that office rental. And also, you need to make sure that you have all list of employees that you like to hire yourself. You have to pay at least 5% tax on income as a director, because as a foreigner you can be the director, but you have to pay 5%, and the minimum you can put is $800. So let's say you can put yourself as the director of the company, then you pay 5% of the $800. That would make a tax of around $40 per month. And also, if you put a Khmer director, it will require you to put at least $500 as his or her salary. So that would be $25 of tax. And also, the good thing about Cambodia is that there is no personal income tax, and that means that if you don't make any income, you don't pay any taxation in Cambodia. You pay taxation only if you have a company or you get a salary. And also, if you're outside of Cambodia, you're a Cambodian citizen, let's say you become a Cambodian citizen by donation or investment, which we also help to do, you can also you also don't need to pay any taxes, because Cambodia recognizes taxation only from Cambodian earned income. So yeah, this is pretty much it. If you're interested in registering a company, contact us on our Facebook meta page, Instagram page. Contact me if you like to open anything. Cambodia is open for business, and it's a very easy country to do business. Everything is clear, and foreigners can be the owners of the company, and Khmer people and foreigners pay the same taxes. So yes, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.